Lesson 11, Cost of Sales. In this lesson, we will define direct and indirect costs, break down the components of cost of sales, and calculate gross profit margins. Hello everyone, I'm Professor Matt. To know if a company is truly making money, revenue is only part of the story. We must ask, how much does it cost to make that sale? Today we focus on the cost of sales, the direct expenses tied to producing and delivering products or services. Cost of sales is composed of direct expenses directly associated with the production and delivery of products or services. Direct expenses are directly associated with your products. If you stop selling, these costs largely disappear. Indirect expenses, like rent or administrative salaries, remain even if you don't sell a single item. Cost of sales includes things like inventory sold, worker wages, shipping costs, and production-related overhead. Cost of sales does not include indirect expenses such as rent or administrative salaries. For companies that carry inventory, the largest component is usually the items being sold. You expense the items as they go out. When items are smaller, companies choose a costing method to determine which costs flow into cost of goods sold. This brings us to inventory costing methods, which determine how costs flow when inventory prices are changing. Companies choose among three methods: last in, first out or LIFO, first in, first out or FIFO, and the weighted average method. LIFO assumes that units sold correspond to the most recent purchases. It results in a higher cost of sales when prices are rising. FIFO assumes that the units sold correspond to the oldest inventory. This typically leads to a lower cost of sales in rising price environments. When prices are rising, cost of goods sold will be higher under the LIFO method than under FIFO. The difference between revenue and direct expenses is called gross profit. It's a key profitability metric. Gross profit represents what is available for paying indirect operating expenses. The higher the gross profit, the higher the company's bottom line. Understanding cost of sales is essential. It tells you how efficiently a company produces its core products. In our next lesson, we'll look at operating expenses. I'll see you then. To recap, focus on direct costs, understand costing methods, and use gross profit margin to measure health. Next up, operating expenses. To learn more, please visit us at www.fundamentalinvestinginstitute.com and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.